Hello, my community. Welcome to the Iceberg Show with Saurabh Puranik. The theme of this show is based on the iceberg theory. That is, what is seen from the outside is just fraction of everything we do in the background. We only pursue success but don't know what it takes to be successful. And this is what I want to bring to young generation so that we can channelize our energy in a good direction. Here I will try to uncover the minds of successful people not just in regards with money but in character who are passionate to energize young minds. We will try to cover every topic which you need to know and that will inspire you to take appropriate actions in life. Hence, I request you to join my journey of the Iceberg Show. Improve, impact, and inspire. So, let's grow together. This is the first episode of the Iceberg Show with Saurabh Puranik. Our today's guest has been part of Operation Talwar, famously known as Kargil War during 1999, and has been awarded with Ops Vijay Star and Vijay Medal. In 2003 and 4, he was awarded Commendation by Flag Officer Western Naval Command, and in 2006, he was awarded with prestigious Chief of Naval Staff Commendation. He served more than a decade in Indian Navy, and in his second inning, he became motivational speaker and author of two best-selling books, They Inspire and Bhag. As we all know, heaven helps those who help themselves. So after diagnosed with hypothyroid in 2008, he took up endurance sport as a challenge and became a passionate sportsman and ultra marathoner. In this episode, we will talk about his iceberg journey and negative motivation and human values. So let's meet Lieutenant Commander Vijay Nair. Sir, in one of your YouTube video, you shared your experience of swimming at the academy where your ustad criticized you. Okay. So do you feel that negative motivation works to increase your someone's productivity, and what precautions as a leader need to take while like practicing this strategy?
There are two types of motivation. One is the positive motivation and one is the negative motivation. So now, when does a positive motivation works? So when you're at a war, when you are climbing Tiger Hills, and when you are knowing that all the odds are against you. Pakistan is sitting on top, weather is against you, and they are firing from top, and you have to climb up and then kill them also.
Hmm.
There the positive motivation works. Being an officer, you have to lead from front, and कोई chance ही नहीं है. You don't, either you get go up or you get killed. There is
Hmm.
no secondary chance. So this I call it as positive motivation. Now if you see the definition of positive work or positive energy, it is force into displacement. Like जो
Hmm.
आपको force जो direction में देगा, you move. If the force is in your direction, it is positive work. If you put a force and displacement is against you, it is a negative work.
Hmm.
So similarly, so I have to climb up the Kargil hill, Tiger Hill. So it's a positive motivation, and there is
Hmm.
no option for us. Now, in academies and all, or in many corporate, what happens, if people take you for granted, if people take their positions or things for granted, or what we call the comfort zone, you
Hmm.
know, so uh, obviously there are chances that lethargy sets in.
Hmm.
Okay, so in my academy what happened was हमें मालूम था कि whatever duration में academy में we are going to be an officer. कोई
Hmm.
हमें ये नहीं कर सकता, पहले वो perception था.
Huh.
Now one of the thing was you have to clear swimming. you know Swimming test is compulsory for being a naval officer. And swimming कैसे, एक तो swimming सीखना है, second is test clear करना है. Test is very tough. You have to dive from 10 meters in your
Hmm.
battle rig with shoes and pitu, and then you have to swim for 50 meter of swimming pool. Okay, and then float for 3 minutes. This was the test. So वही है, lethargy आ गई. तो initially I was a zero swimmer. So when I learned in academy, but अभी टाइम का प्रेशर होता है ना. सो इन कॉर्पोरेट वी कॉल व्हेन यू हैव टारगेट प्रेशर.
Huh.
टारगेट बोलते हैं ना जिसको.
Correct.
टारगेट प्रेशर होता है. सो इफ यू डोंट प्लान फॉर दैट थिंग, there are chances that blunder happens.
Hmm.
There are chances that you will do it in ghai ghai,
Huh.
and rework के जो chance होता है, I'm talking in the corporate term, chances of having a rework is much more. So rework होगा तो customer डिससेटिस्फैक्शन,
Hmm.
रीवर्क का जो कॉस्ट है वो तुम्हारे प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी से निकलेगा।
Correct.
इफ यू आर एनविसाजिंग 100 रुपए प्रॉफिट और रीवर्क हो गया 50 रुपए वहां फिर से गए, प्लस कस्टमर डिससेटिस्फैक्शन। तो
Hmm.
एकेडमी में भी सिमिलर ये था। वी हैड पासिंग आउट परेड का डेट वाज फिक्स,
Hmm.
बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू क्लियर एवरीथिंग। तो उस्ताद भी प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं कि दे आर ऑल्सो आंसरेबल व्हाई दिस कैडेट हैज नॉट लर्न स्विमिंग। एंड कुछ एट पासिंग आउट को 2-3 महीने बचे थे एंड वी वेर इन अ वेरी बैड स्टेट एज फार एज स्विमिंग इज कंसर्न। सो द इनिशियल 2-3 months they motivated positively, कर
Ah.
लो कर लो कर लो, हो जाएगा। देन इफ इट डजंट वर्क देन द स्टिक रूल वर्क्स, कैरेट एंड स्टिक बोलते हैं ना
Ah.
कॉर्पोरेट में, कि कोई कोई एम्प्लॉइज ऐसे, सी एवरीवन इज डिफरेंट।
Hmm.
हो सकता है कि इफ सौरभ को आई शो सम कैरेट लाइक से आई विल से कि ये काम कर दो, इंसेंटिव इज 5 लाख रुपीज,
Hmm.
maybe Saurav will not sleep for that 10 nights. He will work so hard. But if I show same motivation to someone else, उसको पैसे की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी. So that doesn't work for him. So maybe I will tell him that if you don't do this, you are sacked. तुम्हें
Correct.
काम से निकाल दूंगा.
Hmm.
That works for him out of fear.
Hmm.
So same thing. हमें भी यही बोला गया कि फिर तो गाली गलौज चालू. एंड उस्ताद यूज्ड टू टेक अस डाउन स्विमिंग पूल में बाल, तो ताकि डर से बंदा सीख जाए.
हाँ.
And exactly it worked in my case. So it was like going to swimming pool was fear. बहुत डर लगता था every day. So that fear setting, दिमाग में fear आ गया कि इसको कब तक ऐसे झेलते रहेंगे करके, उस्ताद को. And in that bargain you learned.
Hmm.
One day you realize, okay, you're swimming laps, and then another 2 weeks you have cleared the test also. So this is how the negative motivation worked. So as a manager, as a leader, you have to have a mix of everything in your managerial style,
Hmm.
leadership style. So
Hmm.
somewhere it works, somewhere it doesn't work. And you have to see the best of the situation and use that magic thing out of your magic box.
Yes.
That's what happened with me in the academy.
Yes.